How to fix lag and login issues in AION 2. So currently most people are using exit lag, where they add AION 2 and then they enable the redirect login to fix the server login issues. But if for some reason the exit lag does not work for you or does not solve the problem, there is another alternative which is called no ping. But this one seems to be cheaper than the exit lag, and they do not offer free trial unless you sign up with a credit card. They give you 7 days for free, and then they start automatically billing whatever plan you chose. It does also help you lower the ping and boost the performance and fix the performance issues because it boosts the frame rate. You can also use it with exit lag, where you disable the connection for AION 2 and then just use the PC boost to boost the performance and use the other one to lower the ping. And I'm going to put links for both applications in the video description in case someone wants to try the other app out. Now, to avoid any potential login issues, make sure that you're using the correct servers. So if you're playing AION 2 Taiwan, make sure to select Taiwanese servers. And if you're playing Korean, make sure to select Korean servers. And also enable redirect login option if the app supports redirecting login. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.